Okay, so you guys might have a Subaru that burns oil like they all typically do if it has over 100,000 miles. This is a 2007 and it burns oil really, really bad. So what I'm going to be showing you how to do today is how to fix that. We found a solution. It's not very recommended. People don't normally do it. It's an unheard of thing to do, but we know how to do it. So Forest Bros is going to show you guys how to solve that if your Subaru burns oil. And we're going to do an oil change and replace the oil filter too. So stay tuned for that. And with that, let's get into the video. So we're at the great Riley's. Let's go inside.
How's it going?
Pretty good. Okay guys, so we're doing an oil change on the Subaru. As you guys saw, I went and picked it up, and you guys, this is diesel oil. And you guys might be wondering, why the heck are you putting diesel oil in the Subaru? Well, that's a little trick I was trying to tell you guys. The Subaru burns oil. It calls for 5W30, and the numbers have to do with how much viscosity the oil has. First of all, we're already getting a higher viscosity, which means the oil is a little bit more thick, which means it won't break down as much and won't burn as much as it is. I mean, it calls for 5W30. This is 5W40, so this is thicker oil, and it's diesel oil, so it's heavy duty. It's a very good oil. It's expensive. And the thing you guys might not know, when a car burns oil, usually with this car, I just kind of top it off, and I can get away with not doing an oil change. So if you don't do oil change, it means you never replace the oil filter. So we're gonna do that today too.
Where's our jack stand?
I don't know.
We gotta get the jack stand.
And we also got an oil filter wrench, make it a little bit easier. We're not going to do a huge tutorial on how to change the oil on this. There's plenty of videos out there for that. There's just not very many videos on how to fix it when it burns oil. But I mean, we'll walk you guys through how we do it. You want to loosen these two. You get better oil flow when you drain the bowl at the bottom, so your oil will flow out a little better. And we're now currently jacking up the car so we can access the drain bolt and the oil filter. So you guys can see the difference. This is the oil that it calls for. 5W30, and that's the one we've been using in it. That's the one that's been burning oil, and this one is the one we're going to start using. So we're draining the oil now.
There you go.
Oh, you didn't have that open?
No.
Okay, we're draining all the oil out of there. Okay, I'm going to give you the oil filter wrench now. Okay, so got the new oil filter here. The little tip with Forest Bros. What you want to do is you want to take your new oil, get a little bit on the tip of your finger. You want to go around the whole seal right here with your oil. Gives it a little bit of lubricates it a little bit, and what that's going to do is it's going to make it not seize on there and make it so hard in the next one. So you just want to do it just like that. So we just got the new oil filter on there, and just putting the drain bolt back in. If you guys are wondering how we did it, we got this little oil filter wrench from O'Reilly's. It's like $5. Works pretty good. Just goes right on there, fits on the socket. He's putting the new drain bolt in there, and I'm about to fill this thing up. So stay tuned.
Hey boys.
Oh, you're not. It's leaking out the side.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on, I gotta make sure I get.
Just pour slowly.
4.5
Pour
quarts.
slowly. Pour slowly. It won't leak outside. Yeah.
Out. I'm gonna get a little bit more.